Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have a ton of glitches to go over today. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, I do want to go ahead and say Happy New Year, everyone. And just as a reminder, we do have new clearance markdowns and penny items that pennied out today on Sunday, January the 1st. Now, I did upload a video yesterday going over all of the items, the visuals, the UPC codes, all of that good stuff. So if you missed out on that video, make sure that you go and check it out, and I will have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons, and holy moly, do we have a lot to go over today. I do believe we received over 100 new digital coupons this morning, and I'm looking at about 4 or 5 pages of notes with prices, sales, deals, and glitches. So for this video, I will be skipping over quite a few of the coupons, so it's going to be really important that you all stay tuned, because I will have the good deals and glitch list video coming up next, and then I'm also going to go in store and put together some daily deals that we can do all week long. So you guys make sure that y'all stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed, turn on those notifications, and hit that thumbs up button for me, alright? But I just want to go ahead and give you all a little heads up. I'm trying to keep this video around 10 to 15 minutes long, but we just have so much to cover today, so we will be skipping over quite a few of the coupons, alright? So just keep that in mind. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. First up, we've got a 1-off 2 for the General Mills cereal bars. I did clip that one to my account. We have 2 1-off 1 coupons for the Nature Valley granola bars. Those are on sale this week, 2 for $6. So after the coupons, you're going to pay $4 for 2. Next up, we have $3.50 off 1 for the Bounce dryer sheets. If you want to pick up the 120 count, those are priced at $9.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.45, so not a bad deal. Next up, we have the 2-off 1 for the Oral-B toothbrushes. This coupon is back. So if you want to pick up the Oral-B Indicator 2-count toothbrushes, those are priced at $3.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.35. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1. So pick up one of those, use the coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. Now next up, we have a 4-off 1 for the Centrum vitamins. So this coupon is glitching and working on the Centrum minis. I know these might be a little bit hard to find, but I have still seen these in my clearance section, so just keep an eye out. If you can find the Centrum minis, those are priced at $3. After the coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. So we are starting off on a really good note this morning, guys. Alright, next up, we have a $1.75 off 1 for the Airwick products. If you want to pick up the starter kits, those are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. Now, this coupon is also glitching, and it is working on the Airwick warmers. Those are priced at $2.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay 50 cents. I do want to go ahead and take a quick second and point out that we do have Airwick products and Febreze products. The holiday scents right now, I believe those are sitting at 25% off, alright? But I want you guys to try to hold off on purchasing those unless you just need a really good filler item for Saturday or whatever the case may be, because those holiday scents will continue to drop. They'll go to 50% off, 75% off, 90% off, and we will end up with free products with these coupons. And if you guys will notice, the Febreze coupon does not expire until the end of January, and then the Airwick coupon does not expire until the middle of February. So just something to keep in mind there, alright? Now moving on, we have a 2-off 1 for the Crest toothpaste. If you want to pick up the regular Pro Health toothpaste, those are priced at $3.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.35. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Crest Pro Health toothpaste. Those are priced at $1. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. So we are really doing good on the overage so far. Next up, we have $3.30 off 2 for the Febreze products. So these are priced at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.20 for 2. Now, I am picking up some P&G inserts today, so I'm going to hold off on clipping this one for now. I'm going to go ahead and use up my insert coupons first before I clip this one to my account. But if you do not get inserts, I will go ahead and clip it. Next up, we have a 3 off 1 for the Colgate Optic White. I'm going to pass on clipping this one for now because we do have a higher value coupon that you're going to see here in just a second. Next up, $1.50 off 1 for the All Free and Clear Mighty Packs, 19 count. Those are on sale for $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Next up, we have a new $1.50 off 1 for the Finish products. We have a 3 off 3 for the Pantene. I'm going to pass on clipping that one for now. We have a 2 off 1 for the Colgate toothpaste. So this does work on the Max Fresh toothpaste. Those are priced at $3. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Colgate 360 manual toothbrushes or the Colgate mouthwash. Both of those products are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. However, this coupon is also glitching, and it is working on the Max White toothbrush as well as the charcoal toothbrush. Those are both priced at $3.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.35. Alright guys, so Dollar General decided to scramble up my coupons once again. So we're just going to run through this really quickly. We've got a 1 off 1 for the Playtex and Carefree liners. We have, here is that higher value 5 off 1 coupon for the Colgate Optic White toothpaste. Those are priced at $7.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. But again, be aware, we do have that lower value 3 off 1 coupon. So you do not want to clip that one to your account. Go ahead and use this higher value coupon first. Next up, we have a 3 off 2 for the Head & Shoulders products. So this coupon is glitching and it is working on the travel size Head & Shoulders. Those are priced at $2. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1 for 2. Next up, we have a 3 off 2 for the Kotex pads and liners. If you want to pick up the liners, those are priced at $3.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50 for 2. And I do believe we have a Kotex bonus right now on Fetch Rewards. So if you're not already signed up for Fetch, make sure that you go and do that. My referral code will be in the pinned comment down below. Moving on down, we have Maybelline Vitafusion, another Gold Bond coupon, so that's awesome. We have another YoPlate coupon, more diapers, so that is awesome. We've got Poise, Advil, Sensodyne, and more pull-ups. We have a 3 off 1 for the children's Advil. Those are priced at $6, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We have 1 off 1 for the Tyson, 1 off 1 for the Pepsi 12 packs. Those are priced at $6.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.95. Alright, and we finally got down to our 5 off 25 for Saturday. So definitely go ahead and make sure that you guys have that one clipped to your account. Next up, we've got 2 off 1 for the Polydent. Guys, next up, we've got the 5 off 3 for the Olay products. Now, as you all know, these are pretty pricey as well, but this coupon is glitching and it is working on the 2 count Olay bar soaps. These are priced at $3.25 each. Pick up 3, use the coupon, you're going to pay $4.75 for 3. Now, this coupon is also glitching, working on another product that I need to tell you all about. I do believe this might be a clearance product, so just keep your eyes peeled, and if you find them at your store, make sure that you come back and leave me a comment and let me know. Alright, but we have the Olay travel sized body washes. These are priced at $1.30 each. If you can find 3 of them, pick those up, use the coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1.10 in overage. So another really awesome glitch. Now, we are going to skip over quite a few of these coupons right here. We've got Soft Soap, Gillette, Always, Charmin, Herbal Essences, Safeguard. Some of these coupons are doubling up on me, but we are going to stop right here at the 6 off 2 for the Microban sanitizing sprays. This is basically a buy one, get one free coupon on the Microbans. They're priced at $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6 for 2. So a really good deal there. Next up, we have a $1.50 off 1 for the Flintstone vitamins. I'm going to pass on clipping this one for now because I do believe we should be receiving some better, higher value insert coupons on the vitamins in today's Sunday newspapers. Then we have a 3 off 1 for the Microban 12.5 ounce sanitizing sprays. Again, those are priced at $6. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3 for 1. Next up, we have Venus Razors, Got to Be Styling Products, Dollar Shave Club. So we've got a $3.50 off 1 coupon for the Dollar Shave Club products. If you want to pick up the refills, The 4-count refills are priced at $8.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5. Next up, we have a 2-off-1 for the Fix-It twin or triple packs. So these start out at $10.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $8.75. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the Hold and Seal 1-count Fix-It. So those are priced at $6.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. Then we have a 1-off-1 for the Gas X. These are priced at $3.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.65. Then we have a lot of new diaper coupons. I was just talking to a friend about this the other day, that we had not been receiving many diaper coupons over the last couple of months. So I'm really glad to see that those are back. Now next up, we've got a 1-off-1 for the Rexall vitamins. If you want to pick up the 60-count vitamin D3, those are priced at $2.15. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.15. So another really good filler item for Saturday. And then look at what we've got here. We have a $5 off when you spend $25 on Mr. Clean, Bounty, Microban, Puffs, Sinex, and Vicks products. So really awesome. I am very, very excited to go and see what all kind of deals I can come up with this DG store coupon and all of those new manufacturer coupons that we have. All right, next up, we've got $6.50 off too for the Microban 15-ounce sanitizing sprays. These are priced at $6.75 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7 for 2. Next up, we have a 2-off-1 for the adult Motrins. If you want to pick up the 24-count, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Then we've got a 6-off-2 for the L'Oreal hair color, 3-off-2 for the Pampers. I believe the Pampers are on sale this week, 2 for $20. Then we've got a 1-off-2 for the Old Spice products. These are pretty pricey. I believe they start out at $6 each. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Old Spice travel size deodorant. Those are priced at $1.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.25 for 2. Alright, moving on down to Zicam. We have a 2-off-1 for the Garnier Micellar Water. Those are priced at $3.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.35. We have a 1-off-1 for the Puffs facial tissue, 2-off-1 for the Robitussin. If you want to pick up the 10-count, those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. We have a 2-off-1 for the Theraflu, $2.50 off one for the Biotin mouthwash. Those are priced at $4.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. Alright guys, now I'm not sure quite what happened this morning, but pretty much everything went wrong that could possibly go wrong. I lost a lot of my footage, plus all the coupons got scrambled up on the website for me, so that really threw things off. But I just ran through the video one last time to make sure that I had all the big basic deals covered for you all. So we did receive this new $3.25 off 2 digital coupon on the Mr. Clean products. It's basically a buy one get one free coupon, so you're going to pay $3.25 for 2. Now we also have this glitch right here. We have a new 1-off-1 digital coupon on the emergency products. This one is glitching, working on the 2-count emergencies priced at $1. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Now we also have this coupon that's glitching. It's supposed to be $6 off when you purchase one of the Swiffer Sweeper starter kits and one of the Swiffer refills, but it is working whenever you just purchase 2 of the refills at $5.50 each. So pick up 2 of those, use that coupon, you're going to pay $5 for 2. Alright guys, so technology is not wanting to be my friend this morning, so that is going to be it for me for now. I think I have all the basics covered. We did end up with about 14 glitches. So if I left anything out, make sure that you come back and check out the good deals and glitch list video. I promise you all that will be much more organized, and I will have all of the deals by category in there for you all. So again, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. And before you go, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.